Namaskar, welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatanatyam. Today in this lesson we are going to learn part 3 of Vande Mataram. So if you have not checked the part 1 and part 2, I will link it over here and in the description box below. Also I will link the song which we are going to use for this particular choreography. In the last part we ended up over here. Now from here you have to go towards your right. So this side in the corner doing takadhimi, okay, 30 minute. So we are going to do one slow takadhimi and two fast. So takadhimi, takadhimi, takadhimi. Try and go little bit to the right corner. Then we will move on to the left corner. Takadhimi, takadhimi, takadhimi. I'll give you one tip. Whenever you are going in any diagonal, don't turn sharp in that way. See, now you can't see half of my body. So it will be always a profile. Now when you are doing this, right hand, we are keeping it in the kapitha and left hand in pataka diagonally like this. And the movement which we are going to do is ta-ka-dhi-mi, takadhimi, takadhimi. So when you are doing faster takadhimis, you will take your pataka up like this. So takadhimi, takadhimi, takadhimi. You can use alapadma also. Takadhimi, takadhimi, takadhimi. Okay. This is for the music where we have a flute. Okay. Let's do hands and legs together. We start from here. Takadhimi, 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 takadhimi. Okay. So this is how your music piece is going to look like. After this, we start with the lyrics. Next is Tvam hi Durga Dashaprahara Dharini. Okay. So, Dasha Praharana Dharini, you have to show first Tvam hi, Tvam, you. Durga, Trishula. Okay. So, I am lifting up my left foot. So, Tvam hi Durga. Now, Dasha Praharana. So, you are going to show the 10 hands which are holding weapons. Okay. So, now you are not going to show it 10 times, but just 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's it. Okay. Dasha Praharana Dharini. Now I am going to turn towards my right. So you have to do towards your right. Kamala Kamaladala. So here you are going to show first the lotus. Okay. Then we are going to hold the lotus and sit in Aramandi position. Kamala Kamaladala Dharini, and with the right hand you are going to show the money is flowing because we are going to show the Lakshmi. Okay. So Kamala Kamaladala Dharini. Vani Vidya Daini. On the left you are going to show Vani first, Vani Vidya, and you are going to show the Saraswati. Daini, okay, Namami Tvam, all of you three. So these three are you only. So we are saying Bharat Mata, you are the Durga, you are the Lakshmi, and you are the Saraswati for us. So Namami Tvam, what we are going to show is, once you are here, Namami Tvam, Namami Amalam. Okay, so from here, Namami Tvam you are showing 3, joining the hands above your head. Now when you are here, I am going to go towards my right to do the Sarakkadu. Teikat, Tei, Ki, Teikat, Tei, Ki. Okay, so Namami Tvam, Namami Kamala Talaank, Atulaank. Okay, then Sujalam, Sufalam. Sujalam, Sufalam, like we did. Mataram, Vande Mataram. This is how you are going to end this stanza. Now, let's do it from the music piece until here continuously, okay? Takkathimi, 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 takkathimi. Tvam hi durga dasha praharana dharini kamala kamaladala viharini Vani Vidya Daini Namami Tvam Namami Kamalam Avalam Atulam Sujalam Sufalam Mataram Vande Mataram. After this, there are two lines, like Vande Mataram line repeats. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. So what we are going to do is, for this, we are going to do Taikatai, Periado's legs with the hands, okay? Anjali only. So I am going to turn towards my right. So we are going to go circular like this, okay? And then we are going to go reverse like this. Very simple, okay? So it's going to be Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Okay? After this, you came here, Taikatehi, Taikatehi. We are going to use this to show beautiful. This Shamalam, Saralam, Saralam, Susmitam, again with a beautiful smile, Susmitam, Bhushitam. So I'm just using Prankhana position with a slight body shift on the Samapadam, okay? Then after this, Bhushitam. So this is Kapitha, left Kapitha, right Latakya. After this, Dharanim, Bharani. Now what you are going to show is, we are going to show the tricolor. Dharanim, Bharanim, Mataram. Okay? Right? So first, second, third, Mataram, and she is holding that flag. Bharat, imagine Bharat Mata, and she is holding that flag on the right hand. So, Dharanim, Bharanim, Mataram, Vande Mataram. And now you show the Ardhapataka or Tripataka to show that flag is moving right, like this. Vande Mataram. And then you go down. Vande Mataram. And then if you want, you can end on the stage, or you can do the same exit as we did it for the first. Or you can simply just explore what you want to do. Either you can use Taikatehi, Taikatehi, or you can use Ta-Tei, Tei-Ta, Tei-Tei, Ta. Anything will look good. Or just the circles will also go. Just like that, and you can exit. Okay? So let's try this from the end after this. Taikatehi, Taikatehi. From here, end till end. Okay? Let's try this from this Taikatehi Vande Mataram chorus. Okay? Let's try that. Come. I hope that you liked this tutorial. If you liked it, let me know in the comment box below. I will try my best to do the whole sequence on the song until 15th. If not, you try it and tag us. Okay? I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.